Stop thinking in English. Start speaking it. Hi, I'm Victoria. If you understand English but can't speak it easily, this is for you. You understand everything. But when it's your turn to talk, nothing comes out. That doesn't mean you're bad at English. It's not your fault. It means your brain is waiting for permission. You learned English by thinking, not by using it. When kids learn a language, they don't translate. They copy sounds, listen, and repeat. They speak first and understand later. That's exactly what we do here. It's called shadowing. You speak while listening, not after, not perfectly, just together. Little by little, your brain stops asking questions and starts responding naturally. This channel is your safe space to practice. No pressure, no judgment, just real English every day. So, are you ready? Let's train together. Let's start. I wake up early. I am in my bedroom. I open my eyes and breathe slowly. I feel calm. This is my morning. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. The coffee smells good. I like hot coffee in the morning. It makes me feel ready. I take a shower. The water is warm. I get dressed. I look in the mirror. I feel good today. I walk outside my home. The air is fresh. I see people on the street. Some people walk fast. I walk slowly. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I look outside. I arrive at work. I say hello to my coworkers. They smile and say hello back. I turn on my computer. I start my day. I take a lunch break. I eat simple food. I drink water. I sit and relax. I feel better. After work, I go to the gym. I walk on the treadmill. I move my body. I feel strong. I feel healthy. I go to the grocery store. I buy fruit and bread. The store is clean and bright. I pay at the counter. I go home. I am home again. I eat dinner. I sit on the couch. I feel tired but happy. My day is done. I wake up the next day. I feel more confident. English feels easier now. I leave my house. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. I see a neighbor. I smile and say hello. She says hello back. I wait for the bus. The bus is a little late. I stay calm. I get on the bus. I pay the driver. I find a seat. I listen to people talk. I understand some words. I feel happy about that. I arrive downtown. I walk to a cafe. I open the door. I order a coffee. I say, "1 coffee, please." The cashier smiles. I pay and wait. I get my coffee. It is hot. I sit by the window. I drink my coffee slowly. I watch people walk by. I check my phone. I read a short message. I understand it. I finish my coffee. I stand up. I feel ready for the day. I go to work in the afternoon. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my email. I read a short message. I understand the main idea. A coworker talks to me. She asks a simple question. I answer slowly. We talk about work. We talk about the day. The conversation is easy. I take a short break. I stand up. I stretch my body. I walk to the kitchen. I get some water. I drink it slowly. I go back to my desk. I focus on my task. I work step by step. Time goes by. I finish my work. I feel satisfied. I say goodbye to my coworkers. They say goodbye to me. We smile. I leave the building. The sun is low. The light is soft. I walk to the bus stop. I feel calm. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I look outside. The city moves slowly. People go home. The day feels quiet. I think about my day. I understand more English now. I feel proud of myself. I get off the bus. I walk to my home. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I sit down. I relax. I breathe slowly. I feel calm and safe. I am home. Today was a good day. I learned something new. I will practice again tomorrow. Thank you for practicing English with me today. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to the channel for more real English practice. Share this video with someone who is learning English. Practice again tomorrow and repeat the sentences out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you feel. See you in the next video.